Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to make your own straight-through internet cable, perfect for connecting computers to a router, switch, and hubs. Before we begin, here are the tools we need. First is the UTP cable, the RJ45, the crimping tools. Alright, once we have this, we start preparing our cable. Strip about 1 inch of the cable jacket using scraper inside. You'll see 4 twisted bare wires and twisted them neatly. For the straight through cable, both ends the following same color order. We're using the T568B standard. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Straighten the wires using your finger and line up in this exact order. Once the line up are straight, trim the tips so they even, then slowly insert into the RJ45 connector. Make sure each other wires goes through the correct channel or all the way to the end. Now place the connector into the crimping tools and press firmly until it's clicked. This lock the wires and the connector together. Straight to cable, just repeat the same color sequence on the underside using T568B. Finally, use the cable tester to check if its 8 lines are connected correctly. If lights run into order 1 to 8, congratulations, your straight-through internet cable is ready. And that's it. You successfully made your own straight-through internet cable.